Hello guys, I'm going to show you one new item from my friend. But one is squishy and another one is dry shampoo. But dry shampoo is lost actually in my, I think in my transport car. I don't know. When I give my bag to the transport and I tried, the last I tried on the transport car, and then when I came back from Coco, yeah, actually I just came back from Coco of school. So when I check it, and the things don't have, only the squishies have, so be like, who take it? Who take it? Pretty sad about that. I never used it before. Just give it. I'm thirsty. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm so sorry if the quality of the video is not really nice. And yeah, let's get started. Hello Kitty. So you can see the squishy. It's chocolate. I really want the strawberry one, but you don't have. She gave me this chocolate one. She don't have a strawberry one. She said, "Do you want this squishy?" I say, "Really?" And say, "Yeah, I give you as a birthday present." So I say, so she gave me this for the birthday present. So adorable. And it comes with a license. Anyway, I will open the packaging later. And it comes with that. So let's get open the packaging. I want to open the tag, but can't see it. So I have to select it inside. You can open it. Cannot. Or you can open the ball chain. I don't like a ball chain squishy because like it's really hard to open the ball chain. But I know how to open it, so let's put it. So put it. It's kind of open. We try again. We need to try again. So the squishy comes with that. So I can peel off this and you can see. It's pretty squishy. The texture is like, oh my god. And it comes with a license. You can put it in back. You can put it like that. And you can see this. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thumbs up the video and please subscribe me. So yeah, this squishy is really soft. Bye.